Hi, this is Prem Tamang. In this video, I will demonstrate how we can use the Kleopatra to create the PGP public and private key pairs. For that, I will just click here new key pair button. After that, we need to enter the name and the email address. For the email address, I will just type my college email address and type protect it with my password. Give a password. I will just give a password that I can remember. After entering the password, so my PGP certificate is public key pair is created. So for the safety purpose, safe to be on safe side, I will just uh, export my public key, save in desktop, and I will also create my revocation certificate. Also save it here in desktop. I will just it is asking for my passphrase. I will just enter the passphrase. So revocation certificate is also created. So in the desktop we have a revocation certificate. This one is, the other is my public key. I can view my public key by clearing it. So this is my public key.